Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing of some shoes that I ordered from Black Diamond. Let's check them out. So this is the Session. So it's a lifestyle, part of their lifestyle series, but it is a very capable approach shoe as well. So very nice. Yeah, first impression here is pretty good. Let me take out the other one and we'll take a quick look at these. So we've got the Session shoe here. This is a size 8 and they do have some really nice features that I was impressed with when I read about these online. They are durable and have a premium breathable knit upper. You can kind of see how that stretches. So these are super comfortable. They also have this kind of like fits like a glove, comfortable like sock-like booty on the inside. In addition to that, they do have this collapsible heel for easy use at the gym or at the crag. So you can just slip your foot right in there if you need to get going really quickly. If you need to take the trash out in the morning or whatever, right? They're pretty easy to slip on and off. They also have these 2 pull tabs, which are really nice for just pulling the shoe onto your foot. So they do have a very comfortable midsole and this nice sticky rubber that Black Diamond has been using on their shoes for a while now. This stuff is really, really nice. So this is the first look at the Black Diamond Session. I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can check these out online and see if they're for you. One thing that you can do to help out our channel is to hit that like button and then also hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. We're trying to get the channel to 1,000 this year and really appreciate your time and your help. Thanks very much and we'll see you in the next video.